hallelujah. Glory, hallelujah. I know the storm is passing over. Hallelujah.
What your shirt say, Maggie?
Virginia, Virginia, Virginia.
Come on, get it out.
Virginia.
M. Military.
Military University.
I. VMI.
VMI University.
No. Virginia Military Institute.
Virginia Military Institute. And my grandson did the 4 years, came home, went to university, and started to be a lawyer. So we got some engineers, we got some lawyers, we got some teachers, we got some, ain't got no preachers. Well, got Jeremy.
And what you got? You got some counselors.
Yeah. Counselors.
How many children did you have? 101 Dalmatians?
Well, just 12.
Just
12. 20-something grand.
You think?
I mean 40-something
Okay.
grand. Well, hello. You still here? That's one of my best friends. I can't believe it. Hey, Super Pookie. Hey, where are you headed? We gonna go pick up Gail.